What if we told you that most of you were thinking about money in the wrong way? The average person has no idea what money really is and how to leverage it for a life filled with freedom. By the end of this video, the way your mind comprehends the concept of money will dramatically change. Are you ready for it? There are 3 ways to think about money. Number 1. Money is a tool that allows you to move value across space and time. For most people, money is emotional, it's personal, but your reality changes once you realize money is no different than a car or a vacuum cleaner. It serves a specific purpose. If the car takes you from point A to B, money takes value from point A to B. You extract value from your job, and then you transport this value to a different place at a different time. The more you think about it, the more you realize how true and simple as actually is. You see, money is so similar to a traditional car. It'll take you wherever you wish, as long as you are a good driver. Number 2. Use money to buy yourself peace and you'll end up with happiness. You can get to happiness without first getting to peace. When they say money can buy happiness directly, they fail to mention that money can buy your peace. Peace comes from a lack of stress and worry. When we feel safe and our future is predictably positive, we worry less because we no longer worried about what we are going to eat tomorrow or where we're going to sleep or if that tiger is hiding in the bushes. Money buys that because these are money problems. Once you've bought your safety, you're left with non-money problems. Like, how do I feel about myself, about my relationships, and what do I need to do in life to feel fulfilled? Once you buy yourself your peace, you'll eventually arrive at happiness. Number 3. Broke is temporary, poor is forever. There is a big difference between being broke and being poor. Broke, you have no money. Poor, you have no way of getting out of no money situation. So, are you broke or are you poor? You see, the broke seek to better themselves. They want tomorrow to be slightly better than today, and they are willing to work for it. The poor only see the world in a black or white term, not to be poor anymore. This was a great podcast today, wasn't it? Thank you for spending some time with us. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button.